My name is Haley, and this is Plane to Champagne, your solo girl's guide to travel. Today we are going on an Airbnb experience that we booked. It's a coastal walk right here in Nice, so we're super excited.
Yes, we are.
So come along with us and don't forget to subscribe. Woo!
Or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love.
If you like this video and want more about the French Riviera, make sure you subscribe.
My tropical love.
And as always, you can find more information on my website at planetochampagne.com.